The places where we live have a massive impact on our happiness, and many people given the chance would love to have a go at building their own home. In 1998, myself, my wife and our kids got that chance, and we've never looked back since. This is a series about building your own home. Welcome to CRL's Venturous Builds. We're in Deeside, Aberdeenshire, in an absolutely amazing new build. Vic and Teresa, they've pooled their resources, sold their houses, and they're doing the project of their dreams in an absolutely beautiful location. Let's go and take a look. How did you choose this lovely wooden house? Where did it come from?
Went on holiday to a place near Bewley and stayed in a log house, and that was the first phase of, we realised then that we wanted a wood house, we wanted to live in a wooden house. The first step, I think, for us was going online, and we found a company called Stommel House. We looked at the different styles that they had, and we chose one of them, and we contacted Barbara of Stommel House.
So they are a team of designers, and they come and look at the plot, yes. Work with you on what you like, I suppose.
They modelled it all, and then we saw a 3D picture and display of the plan.
In the end, you're going to be in less than 2 years from when you started,
yes.
which is good. Yes. That's fine.
Yeah. Once you've been through planning and building, which all seems
that took quite a
insurmountable
chunk of that
at the time. We put that behind us now.
And I bet you won't move from here ever again. I can't imagine that.
Never.
No, why would you? Why would you?
No.
Yeah. Right, should we go and carry on looking round?
Yeah, absolutely.
So you're only weeks away now from being finished and being able to move in. What's the exciting finishing touches that are going to happen?
I think the main one is the staircase. We can't wait for that to come.
Here, doesn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
And
what's that like? Is it timber?
It's beechwood.
Right, okay.
And it has lights in the stairs, which will be quite a feature.
And the beautiful environment out there, what's your plans for outside?
Well, we thought we'd like a small pond at the front. And then instead of having a traditional sort of lawn, we thought we'd have meadow grass with wildflowers.
Nice.
Yes, and we'll just cut paths through.
I suppose there's a little bit of luxury that we wanted was a sauna, and we got a local firm.
Well, if you're going to have a timber house like this, you've got to have a sauna.
Absolutely.
Yes, definitely.
So one of the passions about this for you was the environmental performance of it, and I think this is only the second house that's got this technology in the UK, isn't it? And the first in Scotland. And the first one was only a prototype, wasn't it? It's
in the show house.
So it's groundbreaking, really.
So tell us a bit about it then.
Well, basically the technology term solarized. 1 kilowatt of energy, electrical energy, to drive the heat pump creates, in this case, maybe 5 kilowatts of heat energy. So there's your efficiency of.
So your bills are going to be minimal, aren't they? I would imagine.
I hope they pay us a lot more.
So. Yes.
So this is the first one of these in Scotland.
That's right, yes.
And just tell us a bit about the technology.
The house is prefabricated in a factory in Germany. It's the panels are produced in the factory, and the triple glazing timber windows are set in. The speciality about the house is it's made of Arctic spruce, so they're built of trees which grow north of the polar circle.
Right. So it's got something called solar ice, which sounds completely science fiction.
Science fiction, indeed, yes. Solar ice is a water tank that is buried in the ground. It's about 6 cubic meters of water with lots of pipes inside the tank. And this water is heated first of all by the ambient heat around the tank, and also by solar thermal panels which are installed here on Vic's garage. The heat pump takes the energy out and produces the heat for the hot water and the underfloor heating in the house. It's the most efficient heating that you can get at the moment, and it's the first of its kind in Scotland.
I love this project. I love the fact that a couple that have just retired are doing something so youthful and injecting modernity into their life. The building's fantastic, its environmental credentials, the place is just amazing. And I'm going to explore that burn that's running down there now. It's just beautiful.